Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add an overlay in CapCut. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in CapCut, I want you to click the sign up option. From here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding an overlay in CapCut is a great way to add extra visual elements to your video, such as text, images, or effects. Alright, so all you have to do is open the CapCut. Now, you can click the create a new project if you wanted to begin from scratch, but if you have an existing project already, you might want to click on it. In my case, I'm going to be doing that. Now, once you opened the project, you see there is a section here on the top left corner about your media. All right, you have the audio, text, and a lot more. So I am going to add two videos in my timeline. For example, this one right here. I'm gonna click on the plus button to add to track. It will be forwarded to the timeline. You see this? That's one video. The next one is going to be this example.mp4. I'm gonna click on the plus button, and it will be added to the timeline. But the thing is, what happened was they became two clips in one timeline, right? We don't want that. What I wanted is two overlapping videos. So for you to be able to do that, all you have to do is hold the video, for example, this one, hold your mouse and drag it on the top. You see that? Now it's perfect. From here, you would notice that once you selected the video, you can scrub the cropping factor here so you can resize the video so that it would seamlessly integrate with the video, creating an overlay effect. You can create it here and you can scrub it all the way here so that these videos can play together seamlessly. You see that? Amazing, right? Now, not only you can add videos together, you can also add the overlay of an images. For example, this one, I'm gonna drag it all the way here. If you don't want to click the plus button, just simply drag the elements on the timeline. Once it's been added to the timeline, similar to the video earlier, you can resize it to create a cohesive videos together right here. So I'm gonna resize it accordingly. Let's try to play it through. Just click on play to see if we have successfully overlaid elements, videos, text here. We can also add a text if you want. All right, so we click on the text here. Let's create a text effects. For example, this one, the sparkling. Let's go to the default text here. Now on the default text, we're gonna add it here. And of course, we can resize that so that it could blend perfectly well to our already established clip. Now we have overlaid a text, a photo or an image, and two videos all together to create a cohesive effect. All right, so basically that's that. And after doing so, if you're happy with it, just click the export button to export it to different file formats that you wanted. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.